Okay, guys, good evening. Sunday, 5:54 p.m. here in Perth. Now, we have 14 hours left here in the 2 week chart, right? And this just keeps popping into my head, and I cannot, every time I stare at this chart, this just pops out at me, right? This happened before, almost an identical pattern in a way that we have right now. And afterwards, price went parabolic from a new 2 week candle. Okay, from a new 2 week candle, you can see it flip green almost straight away, and we went parabolic into the final stage of the bull market. Now, don't kid yourself, we are already in a bit of a bull market here. Price is up 220% roughly. That was a good guess, 222%. So the market has been strong. There hasn't been any pullbacks. This market was strong. There was no pullbacks. I mean, pullback, they are there. I mean, 20, 30% or whatever, but that's all you're getting. You're pulling back into the yellow 9 EMA on a 2 week chart. This is what we've done here. Back here, price went parabolic. If this turns green tomorrow morning, 14 hours time, if we flip green, we need to be buying this market pretty big, pretty heavy, and have tight stops below the 2 week candle. Because if this market is going to go parabolic here, this might just present the opportunity that we need to get long, to get heavy into this market for big moves higher. We just don't know. I'm not even calling for this, but I'm going to trade this to the long side pretty heavy if the opportunity presents itself on a new 2 week candle. Guys, I don't think we should sleep on this just in case the market does present that opportunity. Anyway, guys, that's it. Yeah, enjoy your Sunday evening, and be careful in the rest of the Sunday evening actually, because we know Sunday likes to be pretty choppy.